Pursuing the perfect, she develops the electrical equipment. Contributing to society, she establishes the global power grid. Taikai Group, devote yourself to electric power. Since the 1970s, starting at the foot of Mount Taishan and with only about 40 employees, Taikai Group has gone through 40 years development, with huge economic growth and continuous gathering of talents. Now she becomes the largest private enterprise of power transmission and transformation equipment in China. Currently, the main business of Taikai covers electrical products of all voltage classes and series, such as switch gears, transformers, switch cubicles, cables, etc. Taikai has serviced national key projects like the Three Gorges Project, Beijing Olympics, Dashing International Airport, Shanghai Expo Park. Set foot in different power generation fields, e.g. thermal power, hydropower, nuclear, wind, and photovoltaic power, and contributed to pillar industries such as petrochemistry, mining and metallurgy, mobile communication and rail transit. Moreover, she has gained high trust from various customers, such as State Grid, China Southern Power Grid, PetroChina, Sinopec, Huawei, China National Nuclear Corporation, and other major power generation groups. Taikai has set up branches in Europe, America, Asia, Africa, and other regions, and exported her products to more than 70 countries, including the US, Canada, Russia, Brazil, etc. Taikai has become a world-renowned brand. On the way to develop transmission and transformation equipment, Taikai keeps making progress and achieving breakthroughs. Taikai was awarded the third National Prize for Progress in Science and Technology for 35 kV SF6 circuit breaker developed in 1988. In 2000, the 1100 kV GIS passed all the tests by KEMA Test Station in the Netherlands. Since 2006, Taikai has intensively researched and developed 1100 kV GIS, 1000 kV transformer, 1100 kV reactor in succession, which are all internationally advanced. Furthermore, the 1100 kV AC disconnector and 1000 kV standard potential transformer lead the world. In the ultra-high voltage UHV field, Taikai actively followed the National Development Strategy and participated in the construction of 19 UHV transmission lines, such as Southeast Shanxi Nanyang Jingmen 1000 kV UHV AC trial project, Brazil Beauty Mountain plus minus 800 kilovolt UHV DC transmission project, etc. With over 30 sets of products operating in good condition, Taikai has made great contribution to the world's UHV grid. In the DC field, Taikai firstly cooperated with Tsinghua University to research DC braking technology. 500 kilovolt DC circuit breaker and 3-terminal DC circuit breaker, which were jointly developed, took the lead in many aspects worldwide and were successfully applied in the Beijing Olympic Winter Games, Zhongbei Flexible DC Project, Zhuhai Internet Plus Intelligent Energy Trial Project, and other key projects. Taikai is leading in the field of DC grid. In the nuclear power field, Taikai broke the monopoly of foreign companies with special switchgears for nuclear power developed in 2009, which are now safely operating in nuclear power plants such as Qingshan, Fuqing, Tianwan, Fengjiashan, etc. In new energy field, the market share of Taikai prefabricated substation in 5 big and 4 small power generation groups has ranked first for many years. Meanwhile, Taikai has become a core supplier of Huawei. New energy SVG product of Taikai leads the industry and is the first to be applied in angle-connecting SVG offshore wind power projects. Nowadays, Taikai can provide global customers with full process services, including design, manufacture, installation and commissioning, maintenance, and EPC services of 1100 kilovolts and below. It is the only large enterprise group which offers full power solutions with its own products in the power transmission and transformation field in China, while focusing on main business of power transmission and transformation. Taikai proactively establishes a diversified industrial distribution and expands the business into new fields like robotics, special purpose motor vehicles, precision casting, environmental protection projects. Due to these new driving forces, the anti-risk capability of company constantly increases. Improve Taikai quality by innovation. For many years, the technology innovation platform built by Taikai Group has attracted and cultivated a large number of industry leaders. At present, Taikai Group has 6 provincial-level enterprise technology centers and jointly establishes industry university research innovation system with top universities and institutes in China, such as Tsinghua University, Xi'an Jiaotong University, China Electric Power Research Institute, etc. Achieve Taikai quality by intelligent manufacture. Taikai Group has the only integrated automated bending unit and the most advanced laser cutting production line in the world, the longest switchgear assembly production line in China, an internationally leading German Troster cable production line, and the largest modern assembly workshop over electric industry in China. Taikai achieves excellent quality with the China-made and imported high-end equipment and the efficient and lean production. Consolidate Taikai quality with all-round service. In Sichuan Aba Aluminum Factory, the GIS produced by Taikai is still safely operating after the 8.0 magnitude earthquake. Taikai offered 220 kilovolt main equipment to Tesla Shanghai Superfactory project. It only took 45 days from installation to energizing and set a record for the latest energizing. Every product, project, and service reflect the pursuit of craftsmanship spirit of Taikai people. Enhance Taikai quality through social responsibility. Over the years, Taikai has always kept its mission and social responsibility in mind. In special periods of COVID-19 pandemic and poverty relief, Taikai tries her best to fulfill the enterprise tenet with practical actions. Overcome difficulties and set sail right now. Keeping close pace with national development, Taikai Group insists on strengthening main business and developing diversely. Adhering to the enterprise spirit of integrity, honesty, pragmatism, innovation, Taikai will continue to move towards the goal of build a real economy base and become a world-renowned enterprise. Pursue the perfect, contribute to society.